And in our top business story, Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority on Tuesday stated that its projects have had a positive bearing on Dubai's economy, with savings in time and fuel exceeding 87 billion dirhams from 2006 until end 2014. This amounts to an average annual saving of 9.66 billion dirhams for Dubai residents and the overall economy over the past 9 years. His Excellency Matar al-Tayr, Director General and Chairman of RTA, revealed that the RTA's expenditure on infrastructure projects since its establishment in November 2005 have reached about 80 billion dirhams, and its assets amounted to more than 85 billion dirhams. The giant projects undertaken by RTA has contributed to ranking the UAE at the top of all countries of the world in terms of the quality of roads in 2012 and 13. According to the Global Competitiveness Reward published by the World Economic Forum. New data released by the Dubai Land Department has revealed that women are purchasing properties in Dubai in increasing numbers. According to the figures, Indian women purchased properties worth 1.05 billion dirhams in the first 4 months of 2015, followed by Emirati women, who spent 884 million dirhams on real estate. Indian women topped the list of female investors, with their number being 416, compared with 253 Emirati women. A total of 295 British women invested 666.5 million dirhams in the realty market, followed by 195 Pakistani women, who purchased properties worth 268 million dirhams. Additionally, Dubai saw 113 Russian women buying properties worth 222 million dirhams, with 87 Chinese women investing 159 million dirhams. There were 67 Saudi women buying properties worth 149 million dirhams, and 78 women from Iran who invested 139 million dirhams. Overall, there were 2,416 women investors who poured in nearly 5.84 billion dirhams in the realty market, although no details were shared on where these investors were buying. Nakheel aims to add more than 11,000 hotel and hotel apartment rooms to the Palm Jumeirah by the end of the decade, as it expects the total number of hotel and hotel apartment rooms to reach 15,000 by 2020. The numbers were outlined by Mr. Omar Khouri, the Director of Retail at Nakheel, who was quoted in a local report. The Palm currently has about 3,500 hotel rooms across 8 resorts. 6 more are under construction, including a W Hotel, the Langham Hotel, and a Duke's London and a Byblos are also planned. Mr. Khouri stated that we expect to have 32 hotels on the Palm, and everything is being done with an eye on 2020. But he added that it depends on the individual developers. With the rise in the number of hotels, Nakheel is also looking to improve the entertainment and dining options on the island. The 1.2-kilometer point walkway will be the Palm's second tourist destination after the Atlantis Hotel, which it will overlook. The point is expected to open in the first quarter of next year. When complete, it will have 148 outlets and parking spaces for 1,500 cars. Currently, the construction of the 800 million dirhams promenade is about 30% complete. The 3rd edition of the ArabNet Digital Summit has officially opened, bringing together the top industry leaders, young entrepreneurs, and enterprises in the digital businesses. Speaking at the event, the founder and the CEO of ArabNet, Omar Christiditz, said that long-standing traditional businesses that were hesitant to take on the digital challenge are now slowly but surely claiming new markets and business thanks to e-solutions. The founder of ArabNet said that with the entrance of social media channels and the presence of multi-channel networks globally, online video remains the new media battleground, adding that this summit provides a unique opportunity to those entrepreneurs who have new advertising tools at the disposal to woo more customers. On the sidelines of the summit, the leading classifieds website in the Middle East and North Africa, Dubizzle, announced for the first time in the region a native ad placement technique, which follows the form and function of the Dubizzle listings. The head of advertising operations at Dubizzle, Sonil Ajay, said that the brands are starting to look for new ways to forge a connection with consumers, and through a new generation of Dubizzle ad experiences, it hopes to refresh the advertising landscape in the UAE.
We have more than 35 fast-growing young digital companies from around the region participating in our digital showcase. And we believe today there's over $400 million of funding available for those startups across the region. We've seen at least 5 or 6 new venture capital funds launch this year. And there's a tremendous increase in interest from more traditional investors today in digital. And what's sparking that interest is finally the acquisitions that we're seeing in the Middle East. People are making money investing in digital. This is becoming clearer and clearer every day. Shahiyya, the leading regional recipe website, acquired for $13.5 million by Cookpad, which is their Japanese counterpart. But if I were to just give you a sense of the difference in scale, Shahiyya, 13.5 million, Cookpad, 1.4 billion, publicly traded on the Japanese stock exchange. So we're talking Shahiyya could easily grow to be that size, right? And that is the market opportunity that entrepreneurs have in this region.
Today we were announcing a new product, a native advertising product called Brand Stories. It's the first step for Dubizzle into the world of native, where we're content-driven advertising. And we've traditionally, for the last 5 years, offered banner display advertising. But now we're starting to see that brands are looking to connect to our consumers in a more personalized way. And there's obviously banner blindness in some situations. So having this kind of new way of being able to connect with a very engaged audience on Dubizzle with highly deep integrated native content is a step that we want to try and move forward.
During the first day of the event, Dubai Silicon Oasis Authority showcased the value-added services it offers through the Dubai Technology Entrepreneurship Center. According to Hans-Henrik Christensen, the Director of Technology Investment at DSO, DTEC has been specifically tailored to nurture the growth of startups and the young entrepreneurs in the fields of technology, the digital Islamic economy, and Arabic content.
Today, it's a very important day to us. We have started to promote our not yet fully launched what's called Entrepreneurial Center, which is the largest in the region, the Dubai Technology Entrepreneur Center, DTEC. We have, a lot of companies have already registered that have started there. And this space is fully dedicated to help entrepreneurs make a very easy start into their in fulfilling their dreams. And we particularly foster entrepreneurs or startups that are in the technology space, because we think these digital, just to propel or promote the digital economy is something that's going to help the UAE going forward.